Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. Today we're going to talk about 6.10 using long division for integration in calculus. Okay, so let's chat about how do I know when to use this. So you're going to use this when the powers either match or they are higher on top. And I'm talking about a polynomial. So that is kind of the dead giveaway, and we are going to use it when the bottom, the denominator, is not being raised to any power. Okay, so let's look at this first example here. So we are going to have the integral of x plus 2 over x minus 5 dx, and you can see right there that the powers match. I'm highlighting them in purple. So we're going to go ahead and divide the denominator into the numerator. So you can use synthetic division, but I just use long division because I want to. All right, so here is the technique. I'm going to highlight kind of like our dictator, and we're going to say how many times does x go into x? It goes in one time. So then we're going to multiply the pinks together, and when I do that, make sure you put in parentheses so that when we subtract, we get a remainder of 7. You're going to take the remainder, put it over the denominator. Now, we did not do any calculus yet. All we did was use long division to rewrite the integral, and now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to go ahead and integrate each term by term. So that one I highlighted in pink, it's going to be a natural log integral. You can see my u sub right here, and we're going to have the integral of 1 dx, I'm going to split it up, plus the integral, pull the 7 out, 1 over u du. So this is really nice, quick, easy integral. It's going to become x plus 7 ln absolute value of x minus 5 plus c. Okay, so that's the first example we're going to do, and let's see what we got next. So example number 2, same thing, you're going to use it when the powers match or they are higher on top. So I'm going to have x squared plus 3 on top and x minus 5 on the bottom. The powers are higher on top, so we're going to go ahead and divide x minus 5 into the numerator. So you're going to say to yourself, how many times does x go into x squared? X amount of times, because x times x is x squared. Minus, make sure you put in parentheses, x times x minus 5, which you can see I wrote there. Carry the negative through, and now we say how many times does x go into 5x? Well, 5 times. Once again, we're going to do 5 times x minus 5. So when I do that, we're going to get 5x minus 25. Make sure you keep that in parentheses, because if you don't, you're going to mess up the remainder. So now when we add this together, we're going to get a remainder of 28. Once again, we did not actually do any calculus yet. We just did long division. So we're going to go ahead and rewrite that x plus 5 plus 28 over x minus 5. So now we're going to have to integrate 3 terms here, and not bad. So let's see what we got. We're going to get x squared over 2, because add 1 to the power and divide, plus 5x. And now this next one is going to be 28 natural log absolute value of x minus 5 plus c. Do not forget your plus c. And there we go. Lots of fun.